Hello everyone, so this Halloween I really wanted one of my girls to be a ghost, so I quickly came up with this sketch that I really wanted to make. It's just a simple little fabulous dress, consists of one pattern. All you do is do it on fold and cut it out. For the material, I went ahead and got a stretchy, lightweight fabric, nothing too crazy. The thinness will help it drape nicely, and if it's cut nicely, you won't really have to hem it, it'll keep its shape. When tracing, just make sure that the sleeve is aligned with the fold, and once you trace one side, just simply flip it over and you're all set to trace the other side. For the best look while cutting, I recommend you go slowly and make sure you do it very neatly since I won't be hemming any of the parts of the dress, so I really want the cuts to be very nice and clean. Starting at that hip mark indicated on the pattern, go ahead and pin all the way up, all the way to the end of the sleeve, since that's where you're going to start sewing, and sew all the way down to the end of the sleeve. Once you do that, you're all set to make whatever you want on the dress. I'm adding a little scream face, something cute like that. I initially made it really big, but then realized it was too big and it was going to take up a lot of crystals in my time. So I ended up cutting it smaller and just making it a little cuter by making the face a little more circular, then steaming it to get rid of any of those red marks, and bam, this is how it looks. To try it on, I just simply take the head off and the hands and just put it over the head. And here she is. Isn't she so cute? Thank you guys so much for watching. Pattern will be provided below in the description. Let me know what you think. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.